What are you doing today? Eating some banana pudding. All right. Now it's time to open our banana pudding that we're eating for dessert. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at all that whipped cream. You gotta scoop it up. Cause that's your business. Okay. Okay. Take it. Oh my god. Daryl. Sorry. Oh my god, no napkin. Y'all gotta see that crunch. So good. I'm gonna give this like a 10 out of 10. Just because I love banana pudding and this one is so good. It's definitely well mixed. Like I love the mix. It's so good. The whipped cream on top. Better than the whipped cream on a pink drink. And the the little cookies, just sets it off. Like, without it, it wouldn't be so good. These just need bananas, like how we made it homemade. But that is the end of the video. Like I said, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that inspires you guys to go down to your local grocery store and get you some banana pudding. You know why? Because that's your business. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Peace.